Not every surface wants to be hit with a continuous beam. If you're cleaning marble, wood, a gypsum sculpture or stripping oils and thick coatings without touching the material underneath, power alone won't help you. The working principle will. My name is David, this is Virmer. Check your subscription and let's get started. The Wattsan PA is a pulse laser cleaner, and that distinction is the whole point. Continuous wave cleaners CW models are fast, great for large surfaces, light rust, thin coatings, but they fire a constant beam and heat accumulates on stone, gypsum or wood. That's a recipe for damage. The PA fires in short, controlled bursts, less heat, more precision, and it tears through much thicker layers of contamination. Use the PA for statues, gypsum sculptures, natural stone, wooden surfaces where scorching isn't an option, oils, fats, and stubborn organic contamination. If you need to cover large flat areas quickly, like rust or paint on metal, the CW or CW Pro is the better call. And if the speed is the priority, Wattsan also offers a 6,000 cleaner that covers 1 square meter in 50 seconds. But when respecting the surface matters, the PA is the tool. Cleaning patterns. The PA machines have 2 mirrors inside the laser gun that allows the beam to move in 9 different patterns during the cleaning. Horizontal line, vertical line, ellipse, square, rectangle with a wave, snowflake, filled rectangle, filled circle, spiral. This is not just variety for its own sake. Different patterns distribute heat differently across the surface, and that directly determines whether you clean the material or damage it. Thicker contamination, complex geometry, heat-sensitive surfaces, there's a pattern for each situation. Settings. 2 parameters control what the PA actually does to a surface. Laser frequency, pulses per second, more pulses, faster coverage. Pulse width, duration of each burst. This one has the bigger impact. The longer the pulse, the more energy, more heat, faster cleaning. Shorter pulse, more control, less heat, safer for delicate materials. Match the settings to the material. The machine handles the rest. Components. The PA runs on a JPT MOPA laser source available in 100, 200 or 300 watts. What makes MOPA stand out is that it lets you adjust pulse duration without losing peak power. That combination is exactly why it performs so well on sensitive materials, precision and performance at the same time. The laser gun is a Relfar unit, a division of Ruida, one of the leading manufacturers of laser control equipment. It weighs under 1 kilogram, which sounds like a small detail until you spent a few hours cleaning a monument. Easy to hold and maneuver through long cleaning sessions. The controller is Ruida, reliable, simple interface, fast to learn. Cooling is air-based, no water circuit, no coolant to maintain, just plug in and go. That also makes the PA easy to move between workspaces. PA versus PW Pro. The Wattsan Pulse cleaning lineup has 2 series, PA and PW Pro. Here's the difference. The PA is compact, portable choice, light enough to carry to a job site, simply enough to run without a water system. The PW Pro steps up in power and scanning area for heavier production workloads where throughput matters more than portability. If you're not sure whether the PA CW or PW Pro fits your application, our managers can walk you through it. We'll match the machine to what you're actually cleaning. You can also visit our demo hall in Vechel to see the Wattsan PA in action before making a decision. Virmer service engineers are available across Europe for installation, training and ongoing support in 7 languages. You have any question? Drop them in the comments below. My name is David, this is Virmer. Like and subscribe so you won't miss the next video. See you!